everybody. I'd like to introduce the 1883 GH, Deschutes Skinner Gut Hook. So last year we introduced our Deschutes hunting line, and we featured a skinning knife as well as a smaller caping knife. So this is a new variation of our skinning knife that features a gut hook blade. This is a 3.9-inch blade with D2 steel and a stone-washed finish for additional corrosion resistance. The handle is polypropylene with a rubber overlay for a nice secure grip. We even have a little bit of nice contouring to it, so this is something that even when your hands are cold and wet, you're not going to drop. This fixed blade knife has full tang construction, and we also feature a molded double retention sheath. So we have some primary retention here in the sheath itself, and then we have a secondary retention strap as well. This is a Kershaw Originals design. For an effective companion in the field, check out the 1883 GH Deschutes Skinner Gut Hook.